Meaning of information science.
Information science.
Information science.
Information science.
Information science. Information science is an interdisciplinary field that studies the collection, organization, processing, storage, retrieval, and dissemination of information. It encompasses a wide range of topics including data structures, knowledge representation, information retrieval, human-computer interaction, information security, and more. The goal of information science is to understand how people interact with information in various contexts and to design better systems that support these interactions. It is a rapidly evolving field that plays a critical role in today's digital age, where the ability to effectively manage and utilize information is essential for success in many domains.